We're back with another video already. You already saw it by the title, man. We're gonna go shooting. I'm still home. As y'all can tell, I'm in a car, so you guys know that the videos that were in Japan wasn't really anywhere but like my barracks room and stuff like that. So I'm actually in Huntington Beach right now, and we're at a shooting range, and my buddy has a Glock 17. I'm gonna shoot some rounds off, probably about 100 rounds each, from what he was telling me. And it's my buddy Cortland. I went to high school with this guy, good guy, love him, super stoked to see him. It's gonna be my first time seeing him since I've been back as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of video this experience, and we'll see who has a better shot. I think I do. Granted, I might be a little off my game right now. I haven't gotten the range in a couple months, you know. But I did shoot expert. I did shoot expert when I last shot. So I guess we're gonna find out. But yeah, let's go meet Cortland. Woo!
I get my keys.
Look at this dude. Dang, he whipping a Beamer now?
It's only temporary, brother.
Where's the truck?
Truck's gone. I'm sad. Don't worry though. That's what I want to talk to you about. Monday, Mom and I are going up to San Fran. You know why?
Why?
Because we're getting a Camaro.
Cause what?
We're getting a Camaro.
Bullshit.
I'll show you pictures while we do this.
Yeah. What's different? Uh-oh.
Right.
So you got the 17 in here?
Yeah. These are for you.
What are these? Oh, shit, earplugs?
Yeah, I'd give you these, but they don't work inside.
What do you mean?
It's gonna blow your ears out. They're only good for outdoors.
How bad are they gonna blow my ears out? Because I'm already partially deaf, so.
Oh, we're good.
How much they give us?
This should be back at 50 rounds. 50 rounds a person, I think. Yeah. We go through it. They only give you one bag at a time, so you don't go insane.
It's not enough, dude.
You want another 50?
I need 200, bro.
You want another 50? You gotta come back here and get it. Welcome to the civilian life of guns, brother. How's it rock?
Yeah, they're good.
Good to go.
Get the trash can.
You know, I think I'm on a streak.
You gotta turn it?
Yeah,
I'm just gonna
press
turn
down with the finger to turn on permanent, push in to turn on for a short flash.
Alright, so we're about to do something that we're supposed to do. We're gonna shoot together at the same time, off the same range, and we're gonna shoot sideways.
Totally illegal. This man's looking halfway. He's taking the feet.
Where he is?
Yeah.
He's not looking.
He's looking.
Alright, we'll shoot one round. Come. Load it. 3, 2, 1.
It took my wrist.
That's
Took my full wrist. Oh, my bad.
Shit. Rifle the whole time, huh?
We have the whole time.
Damn. I need to get some. You have some?
It's in my car.
We weren't even yelled at for that. We were yelled at for the eyes. Alright, I'm about to go stupid right now. Here we go, gangster shit.
Have some fun, brother.
You want to do 5 on mine and then do... Keep going.
Alright, shooters. It's 1 second in between shots. 1 second in between shots.
You're gonna get us kicked out of the range, man. I told you.
That wasn't me, was it?
No, it wasn't you.
Okay, I wasn't rapid firing. You...
It's okay.
It's all good. I did that during training, but they allowed...
They let you have fun there. Better not get kicked out of my face. Don't worry, we go up to the desert. You can do it with rapid fire going out there.
Oh, what was that? What was that? Look at that. It's off to the far right.
I don't know. I think.
What?
I think I'm feeling sad on the inside.
What's the excuse?
Shut up.
Like the left shoulder.
Don't look at
1800.
That's too much for a camera.
1 second intervals.
Yeah, don't forget.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5 Mississippi. 6 Mississippi. 7 Mississippi. Alright, so we just finished up at the range. I don't really know who won. Who do you think has a better shot?
Oh, definitely you.
I was gonna be nice and say you, but alright, cool, it's me.
It's okay, don't worry. I'm gonna be the nice one today.
Yeah, this is the first time we've seen each other in what?
A year?
A year? I saw you? Yeah, I did see you last time when I was here, right?
Well,
for the divorce
oh,
stuff?
yep. So a little bit less than that.
No, more, because I was in January. That was January of last year. So it's been a little bit over a year.
Oh, fuck, like a year and 2 months.
That's crazy. How's it feel? How's it feel to see my beautiful face again?
Dude, you are just
hideous.
ugliest.
Hideous as hell.
Don't worry, bro. It's good to see you, man. So it can always be a pleasure to look at you, bro.
Alright, you drive safe.
They call me Young Bloods.
I didn't say Young Blood. Alright, bro. See ya.